What's up, Boba Fett? Super Sons trailer, which didn't think this was gonna happen. A Super Sons movie? I think it's a movie, animated movie. I didn't read Super Sons, but hey, I'm interested. Why not, right? Some content. DC, they're branching out, doing something different. Let's see. Let's see how it is.
This is the...
Welcome to the Batcave.
That's the Batmobile and the Batcomputer. Who's the new kid?
I like the
This is
animation.
Batman's son, Damian.
Ow! Well, he's obviously not invulnerable.
Reminds me of us when we first met.
I was nicer.
What are you doing here? Aliens are taking over the globe.
Oh, Starro. Okay.
It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time.
Come on, farm boy. We gotta go save our dads. All right, Justice Dweebs. Let's do this thing.
Oh. That actually looks pretty good. I like that. You got the League in here? Well, part of the League. Where is it? I'll find it.
Justice Dweebs.
Okay, let me comment on these designs first.
All right, Justice Dweebs.
They look good. I like this. I like these designs. It looks like the comics. His hair is extremely spiky, though. That's a cool design. Wally, Martian Manhunter, Beast Boy,
Let's do this thing.
Green Arrow, and Wonder Girl. I think it's Wonder Girl. But yeah, I like this. This should. I'll definitely watch this. Yeah, that should be good. I like the logo. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, I'll definitely watch it. It's interesting. Let me know what you guys think down below. Yeah,